Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving into the exciting world of construction. Today, we have something massive in store for you. We're taking a closer look at the incredible world of large construction vehicles. From towering cranes to powerful bulldozers, get ready to witness the raw power and precision of these mighty machines. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our amazing content. Let's get started. First up, we have the workhorses of construction sites, bulldozers and excavators. These behemoths can move mountains of earth and debris with ease, thanks to their massive blades and hydraulic arms. They're like the artists of the construction world, sculpting the land to make way for new structures. The precision with which these machines operate is truly mesmerizing. Next, we move on to the kings of height, towering cranes. These giants can lift enormous loads to incredible heights, making them essential for skyscraper construction. With their intricate mechanisms and skilled operators, cranes are the backbone of any major building project. From mobile cranes to tower cranes, these machines truly reach for the sky. Now, let's talk about the heavy lifters, dump trucks and loaders. These vehicles are designed to carry and transport massive amounts of materials like dirt, gravel, and concrete. Loaders use their powerful buckets to scoop up and move materials around the site. Turning our attention to another crucial aspect of construction, concrete pumps. These specialized machines are responsible for pumping and placing concrete with incredible precision. They can reach even the most inaccessible areas of a construction site, ensuring a smooth and efficient pouring process. The marriage of technology and construction is truly evident here. Last but not least, let's explore the final stages of construction, pavers and rollers. Pavers lay down asphalt or concrete to create roadways and pavements, while rollers ensure a smooth and even surface. The meticulous attention to detail in this stage guarantees that the finished product meets the highest standards. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of large construction vehicles. From earth moving to lifting, these machines play an integral role in shaping the world around us. We hope you enjoyed this exciting exploration. If you did, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your fellow construction enthusiasts. Remember to subscribe for more captivating content. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay curious and keep building.